All right, I'm back again. I was able to complete the other two Raptors. So here you can see all three Raptors fully assembled. And now I'm going to glue them on the bulkhead. So there are a few things that we have to take notice of. This is the bulkhead. It's actually the top of a fuel tank on the Starship, and it has this cone, truncated cone, which supports the three Raptors that will be going here on these. As a reference, these three black circles are the locations where the Raptors will go. Now, there is some alignment that you have to be aware in order to make an accurate depiction of the location of the Raptors. Each circle has to be aligned with this little circle that is on the cone. So the three circles align to the other three circles. So once it's done, then it's easy just to locate the Raptors on each side. But the Raptors have to be glued with the small cylinder facing inwards. And in other words, the seam line of the rocket is hidden from view. Okay, so if you want to check out the model, you will not see the seam line in front. Okay, so let's start gluing each Raptor. I will put a lot of glue here. Just want to know if the camera is pointing. I think this is the area. You see? Yeah. All right. So let's begin. And so remember the small cylinder facing to the center, and these little flaps, these little thingies are going out. Just align very carefully on top of the black dot. Just leave it there, hold on to it, press, and there. This is the first Raptor. Let me get a little closer. Let's do our next one. Okay. It's very important that of this alignment. Otherwise, you will have trouble putting the these struts. All right, let's work on the third, last Raptor. just let it sit there. And there they are. All right, so far so good. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. So you need 2 of these struts for each Raptor. Notice that the ends are very different. The one that has the larger triangular base goes and is glued to the top of the cone, and the little triangle goes to the nozzle. And remember, you will always have a chart where you can see how and where these struts are glued. So let's start. Let's apply just a very little amount of glue here and here. It's somewhat tricky to place these. Obviously, they have to be fully dried, but you will have an idea. So first, I'm aiming to glue it on the cone. Notice that each circle has 1 line on the sides. Those are reference points where the strut is going to be placed. Anchor halfway and then try to hold it there. All right, there's one. All right, I'm going to move this a little bit so the camera can show. Turning it wrong. Where it should be placed. Let me see if the camera is showing. All right. More. Okay. Moving on with the next one. Let me put more glue. This is real time, so you can have an idea how long it takes. And try to grab with a tweezer almost close to the bottom, otherwise you're gonna hit this flat horizontal flap that is protruding from the base, from the Raptor. Gets in the way. There, that was easy. There. All right. Two more. I'm doing it in real time. As you can see, it's time consuming, but you need to be patient. All right, much easier. And remember, nothing is perfect because it's dependent on the way, how much you have cut each piece, how centered the Raptor is, or how well a line is. So you're gonna have a little bit of a variations in each case, like what you're seeing, that sometimes it's not that easy, not that smooth. Remember, I try to anchor the base first and then the top. All right. There you go. Raptors have been glued. And the struts as well. So on a future video, I will have the body of the Starship, so you can see how this part is glued inside. Thank you.